everyone, Lenore here. So today I'd like to share some of the after photos of a remodel that we just did in my house. I know some of you have been waiting for me to share the after photos since I've posted some before photos of the master bathroom remodel and closet addition project that we just did. So I just haven't had a chance to gather all the pictures together so I could put it together in a video to be able to show you. But now I have it all, and so I am sharing them so you could see what my master bathroom and closet look like now. So here you go. Enjoy.